About 5 weeks ago, I hatched out 33 duck eggs. I had them in here for the first 4 weeks under a heat lamp until their feathers were fully developed, and now I moved them in this crooked old shed. For the first couple of days they wouldn't come out, so I've moved their water gradually away from the shed so they can get used to being outside. My first plan was to have them outside on the field in a mobile duck house, but I decided to start here so I had full control, and also I wouldn't have to carry all the water out to Triples Alley. That's a lot of water to carry all that way. The ground here contains a lot of gravel, so it's kind of hard to put the fence posts in, so I have to adjust and work the fence every day. Now they need access to water 24/7. They drink and they clean their nostrils. That means that the water gets really filthy and I have to change it several times a day. I like the ducks a lot. I think they're really cool. Unfortunately, the feeling's not mutual. They're really nervous and shy, and I can't seem to befriend them at all. Every time I move towards them, they run off. I've spent a lot of time with them, trying to get them to know me and trust me, but no matter how hard I try, they really want to be left alone. That makes it really hard to get good video. It seems like the only time I can get some footage is when I feed them and let them out in the morning.
Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record. Try to go to the stone for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. Running through it with the young influence, had a lesson pressures, us are coming to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete a check up with the loser, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' push them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the losers. Guess I have to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the backs. I need racks, get out cash, back the tax. That's a joke, tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, got the bag, bully, black, get them back. Contract, give me the facts. I got laugh on my back. You ain't that, then it's facts. Whoa.
A lot of you guys have been asking how's Roger doing, and he's doing well. He started out as this odd-looking little fella, but now he's really thriving and he's doing great. He's eating and drinking and running around with the rest of the bunch, so I'm really happy about that. Now I like to count them each day so I know that everyone's here. Nothing's happened during the day. The fox and the hawk hasn't helped themselves with dinner, so I count them each day because they really like to stick together like one unit and they move constantly, so it's really hard to count them. So here's the tip for counting your ducks. I just photograph them. I take my phone and I put it in the air, making sure I get all the animals in one frame, and then I can count them in the picture whenever I want to. This is also a good way to do with a drone. If you have a lot of sheep or cattle, just get the drone in the air, take a picture, and you can count them in your kitchen with a cup of coffee.